Hello guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to connect your Way2Go card to your Cash App account and how to deposit money. First of all, you need to open your Cash App, then click the profile icon and top right, scroll a little bit down and go to the linked banks. Right here, you need to click this plus icon, link debit card, and you need to enter your Way2Go card information. You need to write your debit card number, expiration date, CVV, zip code, and once you will fill all of the necessary gaps, you need to click link card, green button in the bottom right. So once you will connect your card to your Cash App account, then you can deposit money. So how to deposit? You need to go to the main page of your Cash App, then click the house or bank icon in the bottom left menu. Enter the amount of money you want to deposit from your Way2Go card and click the continue button. From the payment options, you need to choose Way2Go card and finalize the transaction. You will deposit your money to your Cash App. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.